शिक्षा सिर्फ ज्ञान अर्जित करने का साधन नहीं, ये वो आधार है जिसने इंसान को आगे बढ़ाया और समाज को एक नई दिशा दी। इसी विकास की नई परिभाषा पेश कर रहा है रांची का चिरंजीवी कॉन्सेप्ट स्कूल।
At Chiranjeevi, we are known for the quality education we have been providing since 1996. We believe in nurturing each and every child in the best possible manner. So we can say that individual care is our USP, because we believe each child is an asset, each child is unique to their parents and the society.
1996 से शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में काम कर रहा चिरंजीवी कॉन्सेप्ट स्कूल सिर्फ पढ़ाई ही नहीं कराता, बल्कि बच्चों को अच्छे संस्कार भी देता है। ताकि वे बड़े होकर एक अच्छे नागरिक बने और समाज में सकारात्मक योगदान दे सकें।
Good morning everyone. My name is Shrina Prabhas and I am a student of class 4A. Today I would like to share my experience of starting my journey at Chiranjeevi Concept School. It's a new chapter for me and I am being pleasantly surprised by what I have been discovered. The teachers are welcoming and helpful. It has a great atmosphere and I am making new friends here. The best thing I like here is the classrooms, library and the sports field because it's so spacious. I am enjoying the excellent facilities and challenges this new school provides. Good morning everyone. My name is Amaira Priya and I am a student of class 3. I have been a proud part of Chiranjeevi Concept School for the past 4 wonderful years. I love exploring new things and expressing my creativity through art and craft. My favorite subjects are mathematics and English, and I also enjoy to participate in school events, especially in dance, storytelling and handwriting competitions. Our school teacher groom us very well. Chiranjeevi Concept School is a truly wonderful place for young minds. It provides a supportive environment for students to learn and grow. The school focus on creativity and values make it a perfect place for well-rounded education.
स्कूल वो जगह है जहां बच्चा घर के बाद अपना सबसे ज्यादा समय बिताता है।
Good morning everyone. I would like to share my experience with Chiranjeevi Concept School. I remember my first day of school. I was so scared because it was my first time all alone out of my home. But I have been surprised by what I have discovered. The teachers are welcoming me with a smiley face.
चिरंजीवी कंसेप्ट स्कूल बच्चों की रचनात्मकता और उनकी सोच की अहमियत को खूब समझता है। यही वजह है कि यहाँ साइंस लैब और आर्ट क्लासेस के जरिए बच्चे नई तकनीक और फन एक्टिविटीज सीखते हैं।
Greetings everyone. I am Ramit Singh, a 10th grader at Chiranjeevi Concept School in Kake, Ranchi. I have been studying here since class 6, about to complete 5 years. During my middle and high school days, I have participated in several Olympiads and inter-schools quizzes and debates and secured accolades, which could be said as a result of the joint efforts put in by our esteemed faculties. The campus is fully supplemented with all the essential facilities, and being more specifically, this school could be stated different from others due to the attention given to each child and also the idealistic leadership of our Honorable Director Ma'am, Deputy Director Sir principal ma'am and others.
AI लैब्स आज के युग की जरूरतों को पूरा करती है, जिससे हर बच्चा एक दिन वैज्ञानिक, प्रोफेसर, डॉक्टर या उच्च अधिकारी बन सके। और इसी सफर में उनके साथी हैं हमारे अनुभवी शिक्षक, जो हर बच्चे के सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहते हैं। क्योंकि चिरंजीवी कॉन्सेप्ट स्कूल का मानना है, हर सपना होता है मूल्यवान।
Academically, CCS has been my foundation. I am a proud student of Chiranjeevi. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Ms. Bas. The one of the thing what I truly appreciate about Chiranjeevi is the way teachers genuinely care about the students. They are not just good at TC, but they are approachable, supportive, and always there when you need guidance. Whoever you are, excelling or struggling, they ensure that you are not left behind. It creates an encouraging environment where you and I can feel inspired to grow.
इस बड़े से कैंपस में पढ़ाई का तरीका भी सबसे आधुनिक है। प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग और इंटरैक्टिव टीचिंग से हर विषय को आसान और रोचक बनाया जाता है, ताकि बच्चे सिर्फ किताबों में ना रहें, बल्कि उसे असल जिंदगी में भी अपना सके। हम बच्चों को अंकों से नहीं, उनकी मेहनत और कोशिशों से आंकते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा मानना है हर कोशिश में है सफलता का चिराग।
Well, at Chiranjeevi, we don't teach. We spark curiosity, creativity, and courage. As we believe, each child is unique, and our concept-based learning lets their individuality shine. We don't prepare students for exams, rather, we prepare them for life. This is not just a school, it's a family which consists of management, teachers, parents, and students. And we all work together to provide a nurturing environment to them.
हम मानते हैं खेल सिर्फ मनोरंजन नहीं, बल्कि आत्मविश्वास और टीम स्पिरिट की असली पहचान है। यही वजह है कि यहाँ के बच्चे स्टेट ही नहीं, बल्कि नेशनल लेवल पर भी मेडल जीत रहे हैं। इतना ही नहीं, हम सांस्कृतिक गतिविधियों को भी पूरा महत्व देते हैं। डांस, म्यूजिक, ड्रामा और दूसरी एक्टिविटीज से बच्चों का आत्मविश्वास और कला दोनों निखरते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा विश्वास है सांस्कृतिक विविधता में ही एकता है।
Hello everyone, I am Sharv of class 5A. I enjoy coming to school every day and learning new things. Chiranjeevi is like my second home. I feel proud to be a part of this school.
Chiranjeevi Concept School has been an inspiration for me from the start. I've been here for 4 years. Since my 9th grade, I've been here. I've seen very caring and lovely teachers, very lovely environment. This school has given me opportunity to play almost everywhere. I've gone to state level Kala Utsav. I've reached till state level Kala Utsav. I've even went to Hungary for a concert. I've went to other inter-school competitions as a group. I've played a lot in these stages, and it is a great experience.
तो आइए अपने बच्चों का भविष्य संवारने के लिए आज ही जुड़िए चिरंजीवी कॉन्सेप्ट स्कूल से, जहां पढ़ाई के साथ साथ मिलते हैं संस्कार और जीवन का असली अनुभव। चिरंजीवी कॉन्सेप्ट स्कूल, जहां बचपन को मिले नई उड़ान।
Arise, awake, and stop not
till the goal is reached.
उत्तिष्ठत् जाग्रत् प्राप्य वरान् निबोधत्।